Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a nice refreshing drink for the summer. We're going to be making a creamsicle soda. The ingredients that you need are sun-kissed orange soda and heavy whipping cream. I have 2 glasses with my ice. Now all I'm going to do is pour my soda in. You don't want to pour your soda all the way to the top. You want to leave some room. Next, I'm going to add in my heavy cream, and you're basically going to eyeball it. Now just take your straw and mix. And here you have it, guys, your creamsicle soda. It tastes just like a creamsicle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.